Number 1. 1964 Fairlane 500, $12,000, Beaverton, Oregon. This 1964 Fairlane 500 two-door hardtop is a solid mid-size Ford from the golden era of American performance. Priced at $12,000 in Beaverton, Oregon, it offers a classic cruiser with meaningful upgrades already completed. It runs a rebuilt 289 cubic inch V8, bored 30 over, with forged flat-top pistons and upgraded 351 cylinder heads. It also features performance camshaft lifters, aluminum radiator, new fuel tank, new suspension, power steering, and 1967 Mustang Kelsey Hayes dual caliper front disc brakes. The seats and headliner have been redone, chrome is in good shape, and the body is described as straight with minor dents and surface rust. The odometer is not working. Overall, it is a usable and upgraded summer driver. Number 2. 1979 Chevrolet Z28 Camaro, $15,000, Montrose, Kansas. Offered at $15,000 in Montrose, Kansas, this 1979 Chevrolet Z28 Camaro has been owned by the seller since 1990 and includes delivery. It is powered by a 408 cubic inch small block with Brodix aluminum heads, Edelbrock intake, Holley carburetor, solid roller camshaft, and hooker headers. A turbo 400 transmission and 4.6 geared posi-traction rear axle complete the street and strip setup. Showing 95,000 miles, it needs brakes, tires, a windshield, and has some rust, but the floors are solid. It is a strong performance project with serious hardware already installed. Number 3. 1988 Mercury Grand Marquis LS, $15,000, Muskegon, Michigan. At $15,000 in Muskegon, Michigan, this 1988 Mercury Grand Marquis LS stands out as a preserved example of traditional full-size American comfort. Showing 87,000 original miles, it is described as being in excellent condition. Powered by a reliable Ford small-block V8, paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, these Panther platform cars are known for durability and smooth highway manners. The body is reported to be rust-free, which is significant for a vehicle from this era in the Midwest. It has new tires and a recently installed water pump. Number 4. 1989 Citroen 2CV6 Club, 18,705 Silver City, New Mexico. This 1989 Citroen 2CV6 Club is offered at $18,750 in Silver City, New Mexico. It is described as being in excellent condition following a restoration completed approximately 6 years ago. Powered by a 602 cubic centimeter air-cooled 2-cylinder engine with a 4-speed manual transmission and front-wheel drive, the 2CV is one of Europe's most iconic economy cars. With approximately 54,000 miles, no rust, and always garaged, this example appears carefully maintained. It features front inboard disc brakes, Michelin tires, and reportedly achieves around 50 miles per gallon. The car has won 2 first-place awards at classic auto shows and was featured in a Citroen calendar in January 2024. With a clean New Mexico title and strong presentation, this 2CV blends charm, simplicity, and collector appeal in a way few vehicles can. Number 5. 1980 Chevrolet Malibu, $16,500, Orland Park, Illinois. Listed at $16,500 in Orland Park, Illinois, this 1980 Chevrolet Malibu is far from stock. It has been transformed into a serious street machine. It is powered by a freshly rebuilt 454 cubic inch engine bored to 468 cubic inches and producing over 550 horsepower, with less than 1,000 miles since completion. Backing it is a rebuilt Turbo 400 transmission with a Stage 2 shift kit and 1800 stall converter. The rear axle is an 8.5 Grand National unit with 3.73 positraction gearing. The car also features new suspension components front and rear, traction bars, and air shocks. The G-Body Malibu platform is lightweight and popular for performance builds, and this example clearly focuses on power and straight-line performance. It represents serious muscle in an understated package. Number 6. 1970 Pontiac Firebird Esprit, $19,995, Thousand Oaks, California. Offered at $19,995 in Thousand Oaks, California, this 1970 Pontiac Firebird Esprit has over $30,000 in upgrades. It wears a chrome blue wrap with white alligator accents and features a new engine, transmission, electrical systems, and carpeting. It shows 2,000 miles since the build. This second-generation Firebird runs and drives well and stands out as a bold custom show-style pony car. Number 7. 1971 Chevrolet Nova drag car, $17,000, J6, Arizona. Priced at $17,000 in J6, Arizona, this 1971 Chevrolet Nova is a purpose-built drag race car. It features a new 355 cubic inch V8, Powerglide automatic transmission, and 4.11 gears. The car has reportedly run 11 second quarter-mile times. With only 300 miles and a clean title, it is a ready-to-race lightweight performance build. Number 8. 1968 Jeepster Commando, $20,000, Lomita, California. Priced at $20,000 in Lomita, California, this 1968 Jeepster Commando combines classic sport utility style with four-wheel drive capability. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission, it retains its original hardtop and shows 105,312 miles with the odometer having rolled over. The Jeepster was produced during the Kaiser Jeep era and is appreciated today for its compact size and rugged character. The seller states it runs great, and these vehicles are increasingly collectible due to their vintage utility design and open-air versatility. For enthusiasts of classic four-wheel drive vehicles, this example offers both nostalgia and usability. Number 9. 1964 Nova SS, $20,000, Santa Cruz, California. Offered at $20,000 in Santa Cruz, California, this 1964 Nova SS is an authentic supersport model, though not numbers matching original. It is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 with a large camshaft, backed by a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. Performance upgrades include front disc brakes, rack and pinion steering, coil-over suspension, traction bars, 4.110 gears with locker, and a 10-bolt rear axle. It also features an MSD ignition system and Demon 750 carburetor. The body is described as straight with only minor rust spots. The interior is complete and functional. The car runs strong, is loud and quick, and clearly built for spirited driving rather than relaxed cruising. For buyers wanting a street and strip-style early Nova, this example delivers performance character. Number 10. 1965 Pontiac Bonneville, $18,000, Oregon. This 1965 Pontiac Bonneville is listed at $18,000 in Boring, Oregon. It features air ride suspension, custom paint, and a new interior, giving it a distinctive custom presence. Powered by a 389 cubic inch V8 with automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, it runs and drives well according to the seller. The Bonneville was Pontiac's full-size flagship during the mid-1960s, known for bold styling and strong, torque-rich engines. With air suspension and custom touches, this example blends traditional full-size American luxury with modern stance appeal. It offers a combination of classic styling and contemporary customization that many collectors appreciate today.